Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the watch and preparing your phone. Plug the charger in and charge to at least 50% so the setup won't interrupt. Once done, install the official Vivo app on your phone and turn on Bluetooth so devices can find one another. Make sure to power the watch on, select your language, and accept the core permissions. This lets the app read step and notification data. These steps speed pairing and avoid repeated restarts later. You now pair and personalize the device. In the app, choose Add Device, scan the watch QR code, or pick your model from the list so the phone and watch share a secure connection. Next, enter profile details like height, weight, and birth date. This improves calorie and sleep estimates. Then customize a watch face and enable notification access so messages and calls appear. Make sure to review app permissions to avoid missing alerts. This configuration tailors tracking to your life. You finish by syncing and validating features. Trigger a heartbeat reading, walk a few steps, and confirm steps appear in the app, then send a test notification to ensure delivery. Make sure to check for firmware updates and apply them. Updates improve stability and battery life. Back up your settings in the app so data persists. If pairing or sync fails, restart both the watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth, and redo pairing. This simple
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.